Hi everybody, Lois Throwkill here with Mr. Ken Letourneau.
Hey guys, welcome back, okay? I just want to introduce myself. My name is Ken Letourneau. I do tax lien, tax deed, and redeemable tax deeds all around the country, okay?
What is that?
Want me to answer it here?
Sure.
Okay. Tax liens, basically, remember you're going to be a lien holder on the property, okay? Person doesn't pay the property taxes, you will basically lend the money to the government, you get an interest rate. Tax deeds, what is it? It means that you're going to bid and you're going to own the property during the auction period, okay? And redeemable tax deeds, what is it? You're going to basically have an ownership of the property, but you can't do nothing with it. You got to wait. You got to wait maybe 6 months, 12 months, even 2 years possibly, okay? And then you'll be able to get the deed, okay? So you have a little bit more rights on the redeemable tax deed. You can't do anything with it, okay? So tax liens, tax deeds, and redeemable tax deeds, okay? Guys, if you're interested, give me a call back, 310-418-5495. I'm the Tax Sale Master. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Thanks a lot, guys.
Do they follow you by that handle?
Yes, yeah, you can go, or you can go on to my Facebook, my personal Facebook page, if you want, Ken Letourneau, K-E-N, last name is L-E-T-O-U-R-N-E-A-U. My company is Cal First Holding Corporation, okay, Cal First Holding, you can say. We are going to be changing everything under the Tax Sale Master, okay? So that is what we're going to be, you can say branding is now the Tax Sale Master. Thanks.
So go visit the Tax Sale Master. Thank you, Ken.
Okay, thank you very much, Lois. I appreciate it very much. Thanks, you guys.